Today when I was on YouTube, I saw a video from Paul at Learn Electronics, and he had received a book as a gift, and it was a really neat book. It's, it kind of brought back some memories and stuff too, about a lot of us older guys, getting our start in electronics. He flipped through it and was explaining about it. And I saw on the one of the pages he flipped through, it had on there a circuit, and it was the simplest. I think it said it was the simplest audio amplifier circuit. So I got to thinking, what is the simplest audio amplifier circuit? Most of the time when we do audio amplifiers, we'll use a little transistors like this right here to amplify the signal. This is a 8050. It's a real common PNP. It's a real good transistor for audio. This one is a tip of TIP 41. It's another NPN transistor. It gives you a lot more power. We also use things like this right here. This is the 741 op amp, real famous common op amp used for audio, or you can just use a straight, this little IC right here. This is a LM386, probably the most common little IC amplifier that you can get. They're used all over the place. But I was thinking, there's a lot of stuff we have to do for these circuits to get them to work right. And then I was thinking, what can you really make the simplest audio amplifier circuit? But then I got to thinking, how about breaking the rules and doing something that's just unconventional? And if you are an audio circuit Nazi, you probably don't want to watch the rest of this video. But I am going to try to use this MOSFET right here to make a very simple audio circuit. Never done it before. We're going to see if it'll work. This is a BR50N06. This MOSFET, you see it a lot in like power supplies and stuff. You might see it, switch on and off relays. This guy's main purpose is not for audio at all. This has real fast switching. It's for switching. So I'm going to put this up on a breadboard, and we're going to see if it'll amplify. Okay, I drew some real simple schematic here. We have our audio input here, so our AC is going to come through here. I'm going to use a little filter capacitor, but this is going to go straight into the gate, and then the drain is going to go to the negative side of the speaker. All this goes down to ground. Your source is pulled down to the ground, and then you got your positive voltage, your VCC, coming from your power supply. It goes into the speaker, and it's just that simple. And we're going to breadboard it up and see if it works. I do know that this thing's going to run away too, so I'm going to put a heat sink on it because it'll probably get hot real quick. Alright, here is the blasphemy of the circuit right there. Just simple. Got just a makeshift heat sink hooked up to it. There's my capacitor. We're going to cut the power on, and we are hoping we're going to get something. Oh, I hear a hum. Oh, it says it's 11. Let me cut that down. I don't know if I want to start off that high. Folks, we're amplifying. I'm showing 9 volts. So, all right, well, let's get at it. Let's just see if this thing will play some music. So yeah, she does play some music. Well, that's not too hot. Let's crank some voltage up here and let's have some fun and see what it does. There's a lot of distortion in it. But it's amplifying. I'm excited. Let me crank it up even more. Let's throw 20 volts at it. It doesn't, I mean, it's distorted. Yeah, this probably doesn't make the greatest amplifier, but I'm pretty sure I could build a circuit to fix a lot of that. And yeah, the heat's not bad at all. You know, I'm at 200 volts just sitting here idling. It's pulling a good bit of amperage just sitting here idling. At 20 volts at 0.8 amps, so yeah, let me crank it up. Let me give it all she's got. Oh, no. Okay, let's see. Nope, she died. It's just too much. All right, let me let it cool down. Well, I ran this thing for about 30 minutes. I was running about 9 volts through it the whole time. It continued to work. It never overheated. So there you have it. Yeah, I'm not going to hook my scope up to it. You know, you got your VC, your power, your VCC going straight to the speaker. Yeah, I'm not gonna scope it. Yeah, I mean, you can say whatever you want to. It's not the best way to make an amplifier. It's definitely not efficient at all. But you can't say it doesn't work. And that is about as simple as you can get, folks. So there you have it. If you're going to do this yourself, keep in mind that you know, you're doing this at your own risk. Watch out with your speakers. I don't know what the output is of this, and you're also running voltage into your speakers. So yeah, you can burn your speakers up. So be careful if you're going to do it. But yeah, it can be done, and that's proof right there. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Y'all guys have a nice day.